oi. Remember, oi in Portuguese is hello, but I prefer say oi because I am in Rio. So, a lot of people ask me one question since I said I live in Rio. You know, I live in Rio since maybe 5 months, and the question we come back and come back and come back is Rio a dangerous place? So, yes, Rio is a dangerous place, but in this video I would like to explain you why Rio is a dangerous place, but why you need absolutely come to Rio. Rio is a dangerous place. Every day I think about, oh my god, I am in a so dangerous place. But in the same time I think I am in the most beautiful city in the world. I need to say, in the most beautiful. Rio is a dangerous place, but Rio is a city with life. I don't know in English, I don't know how to say in English, but you know, this is a live city. People are so smiley and so amazing, and people live with this danger every day, and they live with this danger. You understand? They live with, and they are happy with this danger. I need to give you some recommendation if you come in Rio and if you visit Rio, because if you don't know, you risk to be maybe robbed. For example, if you come to Rio and if you go to the beach, you cannot go to the beach with your bag and with a lot of things, your phone, your camera, your thing. You need to go to the beach only with your towel. And if you can have like a local towel, please, this is better, because if you are like French people with a real, you understand, with a towel, like French towel, I need to show you. I'm sorry because I am with my okay, I don't have clothes. If you go to the beach with that, you know, I am French, I used to go in the beach with that, you will be like the perfect tourist, and people will come to you and rob you for sure. Go to the beach with local towel. You can buy it on the beach directly. If you are in the street, you cannot be with your phone, with your camera like a perfect tourist. You cannot be like that. Oh, this is amazing, I want to take picture and blah blah blah. Because if you do that, you give a chance to be robbed. So you need to be discreet. Discreet? Yes, in English. Discreet. I don't know if this word exists, but you need to be discreet. You need to be careful. You need to be aware, because danger is everywhere in Rio. If you have like jail, forget it. No jail in the street, please. If this is a night, please don't go in the street with your phone, because you know your phone have like light. The light is on you, and people will see you with the light and will take your phone for sure. If you want to visit the center, you can visit the center in the week. This is not so dangerous, but during the weekend, this is a dangerous place because everything is closed, and in the street there is like just poor people first and bad people in second. So these bad people will rob you. If you want to visit Rio and if you have a bag, please don't take all your things. Don't take a lot of money. Don't take like maybe 2 cameras, your phone, your thing, your passport, your paper. Go with the minimum. I think people don't take your bag. I never listened a story about this, but can happen. So be careful with your bag and with your thing. And you can take like not beautiful bag. Maybe this is better. For example, me, when I go to the street with my camera, I used to put my camera in like plastic bag, and maybe people think this is market thing. This is like food and not my camera. This is my technique. When you are in the street, please be aware. Look around you, look if people is following you or not. You need to think you are not in Europe, you are not in like a safe place, and this thing can happen. People can follow you. This is reality in Rio. It's not so bad because I remember in the beginning when I come in Rio, I was a little bit afraid, but now after 5 months I am not really afraid. I am always aware, but I know everything can happen. I cannot feel insecure because everything can be so good for 5 months, and one day, bam, a guy can come to me with a gun and take everything I have. So you need to be aware every time. If you can, take Uber. This is important because you know in Rio people used to take Uber for short distance. This is very cheap. It will be very cheap for you if you are European, for example, and it's normal to take Uber. If you go to the bank, you need to be careful too. Don't, for example, take your money and you know, in English, I don't know in English, but you know, take your money to see if the bank give you good money and blah blah blah. Take your money, separate a little bit your money and put maybe one here, one in one pocket, one in one pocket, one in the bag, one in the shoes, everywhere you can. But me, I used to do that. I need to separate my money, and if somebody come to me to say give me your money, I will say okay, and I will give one, maybe two, but not everything. And for me in Rio, the best thing to do if you want to go in the bank is to go inside subway, because in subway it's like a little bit secure, safe, and there is like security guy, and people just go and come and blah blah blah, and this is not a place where people can watch you, looking at you, wait when you come back to the bank and come with a gun to say give me your thing. If somebody come to you with a gun or with a knife, this is very common in Brazil, in Rio specifically, you need to give what people want. Don't care about your phone, about your money, about your jail, about your camera. Just give, because this is your life, and your life is not so important. People can shoot you for money. This is reality in Rio. If you have a short with like pocket, you know, I have a short in jean short, Levi's, with my pocket. You know, my shirt is here, my pocket. Please put the pocket inside. I have one friend, she was in the street in night and she was a little bit drunk. Please, if you are drunk, be careful. And she was with a friend joking in the street, like a little street alone. Please don't go in little street alone in night. But they was in this situation, and a guy come to us and sit just close and say, oh, give me your thing, and my friend say, no, I don't want, and the guy takes the pocket with a knife, cut the pocket and go with everything in the pocket. It was not so much, but it was like a little bit traumatism, I can say traumatism for my friend. And this is a recommendation. You need to be careful, and you need to be discreet with your thing, please. About the playa, if I can give you like a recommendation, you need to know, for example, in the playa, in the beach, for example, the beach of Copacabana is very dangerous. For me, this is not a good beach. Everybody wants to go in Copacabana because, I don't know, the word is just, oh my god, this is Copacabana. People here say Copacabana, but Copacabana is not a safe place, and this is not nice beach. There is a lot of beautiful beach in Brazil. So if you go to Copacabana, you need to be careful, and you know, sometimes people from favela come to the beach to rob everybody. It's like people come, a lot of people in the same time, and rob all the people in the beach. If you go to the beach, you need to be not close to the sea, to the water, but you know, close to, oh fuck the word. It's like opposite of entrance. You go in the opposite, because if people come, you can escape easily. If you are in the street with your phone, you need to be careful, I said you, but one thing you can do, it's like be close to a wall and be like that with your phone, you know, close to the wall. I think it's more secure for you. And if you're in the street, and if people come to take your phone, give your phone. And for me, the best thing to do is just don't take your phone if you go to the street. Don't take your phone, just go with nothing. Especially especially in night. About night, if you go out, there is a place, so famous place to go out in Rio. This is Lapa. Lapa is like a big street with a lot of bar and a lot of clubs. Go in Lapa if you want to have a good time, but you need to know, if you are drunk, please don't come back by food, because a lot of people are aggressive in the street, because they are like drunk and they don't understand what happened, and they cannot be aware and take care. So if you are drunk, take taxi or Uber, please. If you are a guy, you need to be careful about girls, because a lot of girls will say they want to have sex with you and will rob you everything. So please be careful about girls. If it's too much easy, it's not so good playing. I have one last recommendation. If you are afraid about the city, you can go to the website of Ambassade. For example, there is like the website of French Ambassade, and in this website I can have a lot of recommendation about a lot of places in Rio or in other countries in the world, and everything is true. Maybe a little bit too much, but everything is true, and it's like a good recommendation for you. The problem is in Rio is people have guns. And for example, in my street there is a bank, and a guy was taking money, old man, go out, and another guy come to him with a gun and say, "Give me your money." The guy say no, and the bad guy shoot him. He's not die, but he take like shoot inside, I don't know in English. And you know, in my street, again, maybe 2 months before, it was like a shooting between a bad guy and policeman, and it was so dangerous. But I need to tell you, please come in Rio, don't be afraid, because you know, okay, it's like very afraid, I can say afraid, to think about Rio, to think about everything I said before, to think about guns, shooting, and people we will aggress you. I hope nobody will aggress you, but you need to know, if you are prudent, if you are aware, maybe nothing will happen. I cannot say nothing will happen for sure if you are like that, but if you take care, maybe you will not have something bad. And you know, I was everywhere in the world. I was in Africa, I was in Asia, I was in America, in South America, in Europe. I was in a lot of places, and bad thing happens in a lot of cities in the world and in a lot of places. For example, I will aggress with a big machete in Africa, in Dakar. I will rob in Argentina. I will rob in Peru. I will rob in Paris, in Marseille, in a lot of places. I am one maybe unlucky girl, but I want to say you, yes, Rio is a dangerous place, but not more dangerous like other places in Latin America. And I know for us, for European people, it's so stressful. I don't know if I can say stressful, but this is my feeling. It's so stressful to think about this violence, because this violence doesn't really exist in us continent. But this is a reality here, and people live with. And when you are here, you need to live with, and you need to be careful. And you know, living in Rio is not so stressful finally, after a long time, because you take like habits about be careful, and after it's like, okay, this is a reality, I need to live with this reality, it's okay, I accept this, I accept this. I know maybe I will be aggressive, I will be robbed, maybe I will die, I don't know, but it's possible, but I accept, because you know, this is a bad face of Rio, but the good face is so amazing, and you know, it's like a big beautiful face of Rio for a little bad face of Rio. I don't know if you understand me because I don't have the good word in English, but you need to understand that Rio is an amazing city with amazing people. There is a lot of problem of violence because there is a lot of political problem and money problem. Yes, problem with money, and there is a lot of poor people, and these poor people used to see other people from Europe, for example, for other country with a lot of things, camera, phone, jail, bijoux, you know, things, money, and they just want to take what you have because they don't have. It's not an excuse. It's not an excuse, but you need to understand what happened. This is a country with rich people and very poor people, and these poor people robbed people to eat. So if I make this video, it was to say, please come to Rio, don't be afraid, be careful, understand my recommendation, ask people. But you know, in Brazil, if you ask people, people will be like alarmist, because people, I don't know why, people want to protect a lot gringo tourists, and they will say, oh, you need to be careful, you need to do that, you don't need to do that, blah, blah, blah. Just be aware, don't be afraid, come to Rio, enjoy Rio, and just realize this is a dangerous but amazing place in the same time. I love you so much, and I send you safe kisses from Rio. I love you.